Hi guys, welcome back to the Coding Corner. I'm your Upadhyay, and in this video we're going to learn about ports and protocols. Now, on an industry level, it's really important, so let's dive into it. So, as you can see over here, I have all the ports and protocols listed on a text document over here, which are divided into TCP and UDP. Now, let's go one by one. FTP is File Transfer Protocol, and its port number is 21. The File Transfer Protocol is something that is followed if a file is to be transferred from one system to another system, the same network. Now, SSH and Telnet, basically the functionality is the same, but the difference between SSH and Telnet is that SSH is encrypted and Telnet is not. The functionality of the same is the same as I mentioned. So what it does is gives you the remote access. So for example, you can say there's Team Viewer. It lets you remote access someone else's computer and use it. So Team Viewer uses this protocol. Now SMTP and POP3 is the same basically again. Both of them is used for emails. Now SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol and POP3 is Post Office Protocol 3 and its port number is 25 and 110. Now let's go to UDP. Firstly, we have DNS. Now DNS is domain naming system. All it does is converts the IP address into a specific name. For example, there's Google 8.8.8.8. It converts that into www.google.com. It converts that into letters and names, which is really handy because it helps us remember the name. So next is DHCP. Now DHCP has its own separate server in a network. So for example, you can configure it and provide a range of IP address into it. Now what it will do is allot IP addresses to all the systems and devices that are connected in the network from that range. So for example, if you have a range set in the DHCP from 192.0.0.1 to 192.0.0.10, it's gonna assign all the devices in the network within that range, from that range. So that's that. Now TFTP is trivial file transfer protocol. Basically the functionality is the same. There's no difference, but it's the only difference is the protocol number is 69 and it's in UDP. Now, Snmp is Simple Network Management Protocol used for management purposes of all the network, and its port number is 161. Now, all I want you to do is mug it up all the port numbers. So, if someone says what is 25, so it must immediately strike in the mind that it's SNCP. So, I want you to do that. So, that's it for this video. If you have any suggestions, you can list it down in the comment section below. Please like the video, please subscribe to our channel. You can also follow our Discord server. The link will be in the descriptions. And if you have any doubts, you can straight away DM us on Instagram. The link will be in the description as well. That's it for this video. Happy networking.